and welcome to my garden. My name is Maisy and today I thought we could do a little bit of gardening together. Gardening has lots of benefits, it reduces our stress levels and it brings that connection to nature. I thought we could do a little bit of good for the environment in this video and do a bit of upcycling. So instead of going out and buying plastic trays to put our compost in and plant our seeds, I thought we could use cartons. So our first step is to cut out the side of our carton. When you're done cutting, it should look something like this. Just make sure it's all rinsed out and then we can start adding the compost. There you go. Now my carton is filled with compost, it's time to start adding the seeds. So you want to have an inch distance between each hole, and I'm going to make it about as deep as the first knuckle on my finger. So first finger. Now we're going to add the seeds. The seeds that I've chosen are peas, and we're just going to add one seed into each hole. Okay, you're just going to cover them over. Once they're all covered over, the next important step is to make sure our seeds have a nice drink of water. So I'm going to water my seeds with a spray bottle, just because it reduces the amount of water that we're pouring into our compost and we won't drown our seeds. Okay, so just want to give it a nice light drink of water. And then I'm going to put a little label on mine. If you make lots and lots of trays, you need to know which vegetable is which. So I've made some little labels out of butter pots, just made in strips. Then you can write the name on the top and stick it at the end. So now that's done, I'm going to place my pot in the window where it can get lots of natural light, and I'm going to give it a little water every day. Then in about 14 days you should start to see little seedlings popping up. And when that happens, I'm going to start thinking about moving them into their own patch in the garden. When that happens, I'll make another video and we can make that transference together. So watch out for that. So good luck with your seeds, let me know how it goes.